To transcribe voice recordings on your Samsung Galaxy S26, you need to go ahead and open up the voice recorder app, then find the voice recording that you wish to transcribe and select it. From here, you're going to tap on this option labeled Transcribe and wait for it to be transcribed. If it can't auto-detect a language, it will ask you to download or to choose a language pack that the voice recording is currently in. So if you want to download a language pack, just tap on this option like here, find a language pack you wish to download and tap on the download icon next to it. And then once you've successfully selected the language that you wish to transcribe into, all you need to do is simply wait for it to finish transcribing, and then you can see here the transcription. If it's a particularly long transcription, then you can just tap on summary and it will just summarize all of the transcription into something shorter and more eligible for you to read through. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.